So we're at school right now. As soon as some people walk past, they're going to see the inside of a waterfall. Let's do it, shit.
Yeah, guys. So this is IIIustiousVlogger, and
yeah. By the way, this is us.
Like, subscribe,
this is
us.
This is us. Aye.
Just wait for some people.
Which could take a while, but
If this takes a while, we'll just edit it out.
we'll piss yourself. You'll piss yourself. Oh look, girls running from the rain. When they come over here, they ain't gonna like the rain.
Your friend. Come on, control. Three things for everyone who comes around this corner.
I can move.
Hey, stop!
I think our plan works on other people, and they're starting to do it. This is us.
Wait till you see two.
Capital IIIustiousVlogger. Let's do this. This is us.